Welcome to OICAD Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. In the last video, we discussed addition and subtraction of polynomials. So how we did? We identified the like terms, then simplified. So that is how we add or subtract two polynomials. Now let's see how to multiply and divide polynomials. Let's take two monomials. For example, 3x and 5x. Because you want to add these two, then so how to add 3x plus 5x, and these two, they happen to be like terms. So the result is 3 plus 5 8x. Similarly, 3x square plus 5x square is 8x square. And what is 3x plus 5y? If we add them, we want to add 3x and 5y. Add 3x and 5y. So how to add? So we will start adding like this, 3x plus 5y. But these two, are they like terms? No, they are not like terms. So we cannot simplify this further. So this is the result. If we add 3x and 5y, the result is 3x plus 5y. It can't be simplified further. Okay. So if they are when we add two monomials, if they are not like terms, then we just have to leave it as it is with the plus sign. And also it's important to know, say x square y and x y square, they are not like terms. So because isn't it? See, for example, 3x square and 5y square. Okay, so result of addition is 3x square y plus 5xy square. That's all. Okay, now let's see how to multiply the polynomials. Okay, these monomials, let's say. For example, 3x, let's say we want to multiply 3x and 5x. So how do you multiply 3 and 5? 3 into 5, correct, 15. So similarly, so what is the meaning, how to write it? So 3x into 5x. Yeah, this means multiplication. So how to multiply? First multiply the numbers, 3 into 5, 15, and x into x, x square, because we learnt how to multiply two numbers and exponents, exponential numbers when the bases are same. We will add the power. See, x into x is x square, because x is x power 1. So x power 1 into x power 1 is x power 1 plus 1, 2. So 15 x square. Similarly, 3x square into 5x square. So same 3 into 5, 15, and x square into x square is x power 2 plus 2, 4. So 15x power 4. Okay, hope it's clear. Okay, now how to multiply? So 3x and 5y, 3x into 5y. Again same way, 3 into 5, 15, x into y, xy. Okay, x into y, xy. A into b is ab, m into n is mn. Because the bases are different, we cannot add powers. Similarly, see 3x square y into 5xy square. So this is equal to 3 into 5, 15. Now x square into x. See, first multiply the factors with the same base. So x square into x is x power 2 plus 1. So 3x power 3, x cube. Similarly, y into y square is y power 3 or y cube. So this is 15x cube, y cube. Okay. Three into, so there can be many factors like x square, ab into 5 x a cube b square. So this is equal to 3 into 5, 15, x square into x cube, a into a cube, a power 4, b into b square, b cube. Okay, so this is the result. So it's not difficult. Now let's see if how to multiply monomial and other polynomial, maybe binomial or trinomial. Okay, let's say we want to, and see if there is if the coefficient is 1. So for example, so 3x into x. So how to multiply 3x and x? So 3x into x. So here 3 and x means 1x. So just 3 into 1 just 3. So 3x square. Okay. Okay, now let's see how to multiply monomial and let's say multiply three x and x plus 2y or x plus 5. Let's say how to multiply these two. So again same way, so write like this. So 3x so into x plus 5, because they are single term, so we don't require bracket here, so we can, but nothing wrong if you use bracket. So whether we use bracket or not doesn't matter, because it has only one term. Now how to multiply? So by 3x you need to multiply each term within the bracket. That means 3x into x plus, see same sign, this plus sign, plus 3x into 5. So now let's multiply 3x into x is 3x square, and 3x into 5 is 3 into 5, 15. So 15x. Can we simplify further? No, they are not like terms. So this is the result. Can't be simplified further. So it doesn't matter how many terms are there, say, within this bracket. Say for example, so 3x, so I want to multiply 3x and a minus 2b minus 4. So now this is equal to 3x, so into a, and minus 3x into 2b minus 4 into 3x, or let's say 3x into 4, it's same. Okay, remember this here 3x is a positive number. Here say is a okay, by that I mean there is the sign of so it's not minus 3x, so 3x, there's a minus 3x, then each sign inside the bracket will change when we expand. Okay, let's see that in the as the next example. Now 3x into this 3xa, 3xa or 3ax, so it's better to write in the alphabetical order. So 3ax minus again 3 into 2 6 and x into b, xb or bx, and here minus 3 into 4 12, so 12x. So multiply 3x by a minus 2b minus 4. Say again, okay, so result is 3ax minus 6bx minus 12x. Okay, since there are no like terms, so we can't simplify further. So you should ensure no like terms in the result. Okay, if there are, then we need to simplify further. Suppose it's minus 3x here. So how to multiply this? Say minus 3x into a minus 2b minus 4. Okay, now so each sign will change here. See in the within the bracket, first term is plus, second is minus, third also minus. So because there's a minus sign outside, okay, so when you remove bracket or when we expand, so each sign of each term will change. So we can write it as minus 3x into a. See now, see the sign will change, correct? See, because this is a plus here, it's a minus now. When here second term minus 2b, so result here result will be positive because sign changes. Then plus, then write 3x into 2b. So here also becomes positive plus 3x into 4. Okay, now let's multiply. So minus 3ax plus 6bx plus 12x. So if you look at it, see if you compare the results of okay, these two, see this one and this one, see sign of each term has changed. So because their first term is 3ax, here minus 3ax, second term is minus 6bx, and this one plus 6bx, and third term was minus 12x here plus 12x. Okay, it's because of this minus sign. So here because we multiplied by 3x in the first case, but in this case we multiplied by minus 3x. So that's why sign of each term has changed. Understood? Okay, now let's see how to multiply. Okay, that's this because that's a simple for example, minus 3 into 4, isn't it? So this is minus 12, and 3 into 4 is 12, minus 3 into minus 4 is minus 4. So signs are same, result is positive. So that's a simple logic. Let's multiply two binomials. Let's multiply. See, multiplication, either we can say multiplication of two polynomials, or multiplying one polynomial by another polynomial, or finding the product of two polynomials. So multiply x plus 2y and 2x minus 3y. So how to multiply? Okay, so as usual, so what is the meaning of this multiply? That means say x plus 2y into 2x minus 3y. Okay, so in this case we need to multiply each term of let's say this first polynomial. So first polynomial, it has two terms. So this first term is the x. So x into the second polynomial, that means 2x minus 3y. Then second term of the first polynomial is 2y. So plus 2y, correct? Say right, plus, so plus 2y into 2x minus 3y. Okay, so x into this whole other polynomial, so x into second polynomial, again 2y into the second polynomial. Understood? See, x into the second polynomial plus 2y into second polynomial. Okay, so now let's expand. So now it's like say multiplying the binomial by a monomial here. So we already seen how to multiply. So you need to multiply each term by x here. So either we can write x into 2x, or we can straight away. So because we know how to multiply now, what is the x into 2x? So 2x square. Okay, so 2x square. Hope it's clear. Otherwise you can have one more step. Say, so x into 2x. Okay, so because minus term here, minus x into 3y plus 2y into 2x minus 2y into 3y. Okay, so once you become familiar with this, you can skip this step. So you can directly write, say 2x square minus 3xy, 2 into 2 4, and say plus sign because both are positive. So 4xy, because 4yx or 4xy both are same, but if you write in alphabetical order, then it's 4xy. Similarly here it's minus because one is negative, other one signs are different, so result is negative. So minus 2 into 3 6, y into y square. Okay, so this is the result. But you look at this, is there any are there any like terms here? Yes, see minus 3xy plus 4xy, they are like terms, correct? So they can be, you can simplify further. So 2x square, and see minus 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so minus 1 xy, but we don't write minus 1, so just minus xy. Sorry, minus 3 plus 4 is what? 1, it's not minus 1. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1 xy, so just xy minus 6y square. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, if it is minus here, same one, let's say instead of x plus 2y, let's have x minus 2y. So x minus 2y into 2x minus 3y. Okay, now same, so x into, so entire thing 2x minus 3y and minus 2y into the whole polynomial 2x minus 3y. So which is equal to, say x into 2x minus x into 3y minus 2y into 2x then, so directly we can write plus, or you write you take say either you can directly write say minus 2y here minus 3y, signs are same, we can write plus here, or you write say minus 2y into minus 3y. So now we get so x into 2x, so 2x into x square minus 3xy, because signs are different, so result is negative, signs are different, again results negative. So minus 2 into 2 4xy, so here signs are same, result is positive. So 2 into 3 6 y into y square. So again see there are two like terms, so simplifying further we get 2 through x square. See minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7, so minus 7xy plus 6y square. Okay, so here now if you look at it, the same pattern, but see signs, last two term signs are different, and also numbers are the same. See here 2x square plus in the, okay, obviously it will change because of signs. And see, it doesn't matter how see 2 by x minus 2y, or you can even write this way, it doesn't matter which way you write, you can start multiplying this also, 2x minus 3y into x minus 2y, correct? So whichever way you multiply, you will get the same result. It's a 2x square minus 7xy plus 6y square. because addition and multiplication are commutative. That means a plus b is equal to b plus a, and a into b equal to b into a. Let's see some more multiplication. See, same, you need to extend this. It doesn't matter how many terms you can multiply a trinomial with another trinomial or binomial or any more than 3 terms. Okay, so but the procedure is the same. And here see need not be linear polynomial. It can be anything, any higher order powers also can be there, but see procedure is same. For example, x say minus 2y square, okay, into 2xy minus 3y cube, something like this. So how to multiply this? So again same way, standard way, x into 2xy minus 3y cube minus 2y square 2xy minus 3y cube. So this is equal to x into 2xy. So what do you get? So let's multiply, let's skip this step, we will multiply directly. So x into 2xy is 2x square y, and here see signs are different, here x and minus 3, so here it will be minus 3xy cube. Similarly here 2x minus 2y square into 2xy, so sign side of the result is negative, so minus 2 into 2 4, and x is there, then y square into y cube. Similarly here minus 2, here minus 3, so signs are same, so result is positive. Then 2 into 3 6, there is no x, only y square into y cube, so y power 2 plus 3 5, y power 5. Okay, so this is the result. So very simple. See here we have skipped one step, but say you can do this like this directly. So hope you are able to follow. And the same way it's a monomial also, higher powers like 5 x square y, okay, into minus 2x cube y square a or a power 5. So how to multiply? Same, so signs are different, so result is negative, so first put minus sign, then 5 into 2 10, then x square into x cube, x power 5, y into y square, so y power 1 plus 2 3, then a power 5. That's all, this is the result. Okay, this is how we multiply polynomials. Okay, let's see how to divide polynomials in our next video. Thank you.